You are awesome. You are awesome. इसे फिर से कहना. Say it again. Say it again. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. आगे मत बढ़ो. Don't go ahead. Don't go ahead. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. क्या आप जा रहे हैं? Are you going? Are you going? बहस मत करो. Don't argue. Don't argue. यह मेरा वादा है. It's my promise. It's my promise. मुझ पर विश्वास करो. Trust me. Trust me. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. अपनों से प्यार करो. Love your real ones. Love your real ones. मुझे बदनाम मत करो. Don't defame me. Don't defame me. अपने मोबाइल को साइलेंट मोड पर रखो. Put your mobile on silent mode. Put your mobile on silent mode. पहले उसे जाने दो. Let him go first. मुझे बताओ क्या हुआ. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always be with you. I will always be with you. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have any spare time. I don't have any spare time. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकता है. He can speak English. He can speak English. तुम भी अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो. You can speak English too. You can speak English too. मुझे सच जानना है. I have to know the truth. I have to know the truth. वह जरूर आएगा. He will surely come. He will surely come. मैं भी यही सोच रहा था. I was thinking the same. I was thinking the same. भगवान से दुआ करो. Pray to God. Pray to God. मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो. Stop bothering me. Stop bothering me. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me out. Let me out. कृपया यहाँ से जाइए. Please leave from here. Please leave from here. क्या आप कर सकते हो? Can you do? Can you do? क्या आपको तैरना आता है? Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? हाँ, मुझे तैरना आता है. Yes, I can swim.